my friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Eniola and I do all things skincare, beauty and lifestyle. If today is your first time seeing this face, please make sure you click that subscribe button and give this video a huge thumbs up. And if you're a returning subscriber, MVP, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. You guys, I'm so stuck up. I've been ruminating about this content since last night. I could not sleep. I was tossing and turning on my bed and I'm like, okay, I'm just going to come here and tell you about it. Are you ready? Are you ready? Because I am ready. All right. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to simplify your skincare routine and glow effortlessly. You guys know my brand is about helping you guys to understand the reason why you should buy a product versus just me recommending products for you and asking you to just go and start getting this and getting that. Even clients who have booked me for consultation know that whenever you come to me, I take my time to explain your routine to you first before you know the products that you are going to be getting. And I've discovered during my work with you guys, some of you guys that have booked me, during my work with you, that a lot of you don't know why your routine is the way it is. Some of you actually got expert advice before buying your products, but then you could not ask the questions the way you would have loved to. So it is from that experience that I've been able to come up with this content and today's topic, which is 4 ways to simplify your skincare routine and glow effortlessly. Right, so let's begin. This is the first thing that you need to know. You are using too many actives. Read my lips. I'm using too many actives. Yes, you are. And that's because you don't understand what your skincare routine is supposed to be, particularly the one on your face. I've talked about body care before. Check this video out if you've not seen it, but particularly the one for your face. And this is very, very important because this can separate between why your friend is using only 2 products and her skin is glowing, whereas your own table is filled with a lot of skincare products and you're still not seeing the changes that you want to see. Maybe one of the reasons is because you keep buying similar products that you expect to give different results, but they are actually similar in formulation, similar in actives, and similar in effect. So right now, I'll be describing what your morning skincare routine needs to look like. You might want to screenshot this part of the video or the text that will be popping up, and then you also want to look down in the description box for any other details that I'll be putting up. All right, so the very first thing you need to know when it comes to your morning face care skincare routine, face care routine in the morning is this: you need a good cleanser. You need a good cleanser. Please do not confuse what I'm saying with a bar soap, a body wash. No, this is not I will use the soap that I'm using on my body, on my face. No, you need a good cleanser. Now, a lot of people think that a cleanser typically is just supposed to remove dirt from their face, all the dust from the day. You got it all wrong. A cleanser is doing more than that. A cleanser helps to dissolve oils, helps to get rid of sweat, the sweat that has been on your face since morning. A cleanser helps to remove dirt, helps to remove germs. Sometimes there are things that you can't see, bacteria that can be in the environment that you can't see with your eyes. So if you're using a bar soap that is not equipped enough to deliver that kind of result, you will not see changes with your skincare routine. You can be buying all the other serums that you want and stuff, but once you get it wrong when it comes to the cleanser column, you have missed it completely. Sis, and I'm here to tell you the truth because you see I'm not smiling. All right, so the very next thing you need to know when it comes to your skincare routine in the morning, a toner is not necessary. Honestly, it's just an additional whatever, maybe like an icing on the cake. It's not the ingredient in the cake that makes the cake delicious. No, a toner is not necessary. An essence is not necessary. Okay, the very next important thing in your skincare routine, especially the one for your face in the morning, is a good antioxidant. Read my lips, antioxidant. That means that if you're not using an antioxidant, especially in the morning, you've gotten your skincare routine completely wrong. And I'm talking about niacinamide or vitamin C serum or all the other ones that you can see on the screen. But those are the major ones that people always use. All right, so naturally, for me, I tend to gravitate towards vitamin C serum because I just love how it works. It is a bit brightening also. And the major reason why you need an antioxidant is because it helps to fight against free radicals and inflammatory skin conditions that might want to pop up on your face. You see, a lot of people think that when I use the tretinoin, it will work. When I use it, no, sis. If an antioxidant is missing out in your skincare routine, you are not going to see the kind of changes that you want to see. That's the basic truth. An antioxidant is much, as in, is beyond the term. Once they say antioxidant is vitamin C, no, an antioxidant is beyond that. You don't know what your skin is going through on the surface that you can't see with your eyes. So you want to be using a skincare product or a great antioxidant that fights against free radicals in the environment, or that might want to stick to your face, or inflammation that you can't visibly see with your own eyes. All right, so we got that correctly, and I gave you examples of the one to use if you don't know, and that is niacinamide or vitamin C serum. All right, so the very next thing when it comes to your face care skincare routine is a good moisturizer. Make sure it is hydrating, sis, because we've not talked about anything hydrating in your skincare routine until we got to this point, and people always confuse it. You think a cream, your body cream, is your face moisturizer. They are not the same. Read my lips. They are not the same. So you cannot think that you can use your face cream on your face and that should work. No, it will not work. You want to make sure that you're using a face moisturizer that is hydrating. And I use the word moisturizer, not cream, because a moisturizer has more of water ingredients, hydrating ingredients that will make sure that the skin is getting enough hydration during the day. That's the difference between somebody's skin that is youthful, glowy, always beautiful, plump, and visibly juicy, and someone else's face that is just there. It's not just giving what it is supposed to give. So you need to be making sure that you're using a very hydrating moisturizer, not greasy. Greasy just means that it produces oil. No. Hydrating moisturizers absorb easily into your skin and they are lightweight in texture. I'm talking about this simple one. You can also use the COSRX all-in-one cream. Any of these two works if you are looking for a moisturizer, or you can watch my content up here for the one that I've reviewed, like different moisturizers on this channel, so I don't want to talk about it too much. All right, so the very next thing when it comes to your face care skincare routine in the morning is sun protection. Sis, you can pack up all the products on your face. If you do not use sunscreen, you will not see changes. And the reason why you're using sunscreen is to preserve, to protect, and to shield your skin. Those three things: preserve, protect, shield your skin. You are creating a barrier between the direct UVA and UVB rays of the sun on your face, so that your skin is going to be visibly nourished, it will be nurtured, it will be protected, and it will be shielded from the harmful rays of the sun. You see, when you make cake and you don't put some certain ingredients in it, it might not rise. Like yeast, for example, the cake will not rise, but it is cake. It will not start looking like a pancake, something that you just put on a frying pan. But there is a key ingredient inside that thing that you are mixing together that is supposed to make the cake rise and taste nice and stuff. So those are the things that are like that too also in your skincare routine. I hope you understand the vivid description I've just given you for what your face care routine in the morning is supposed to look like. If you miss it with these basics, you will not see changes. Sis, you can spend all the thousands of naira, your skin is not going to glow. Okay, now let's jump right into the next step. The next thing when it comes to trying to simplify your skincare routine is to know what you need for your nighttime skincare routine. So I've talked about the one for the morning. Let's talk about the one for the... Alright guys, so let's talk about the products that you need and the arrangement of your skincare routine at night. This is very, very important because it's the difference between somebody's skin that is going to glow and another person's skin that will not even be giving. Okay, now this is the thing. So at night, you want to make sure that you're using a very good cleanser. This is where your double cleansing is going to come to play. I get a lot of questions from you guys saying that, okay, Eniola, the reason why I don't use my sunscreen is because I feel like it is clogging my pores and stuff. Sis, you need to learn how to double cleanse. Watch this video here if you don't know. I've talked about double cleansing not once or twice. So double cleansing is just you do a pre-cleanse before you now go in with your foaming facial cleanser. This is important because guess what? Your sunscreen is a bit greasy in formula. It's greasy, so you want to make sure that you're not just wasting your time and thinking after washing your face once it has gone. No, sis, double cleansing at night is important, especially when you have makeup on or sun. Okay, so now the next thing would be hydrating your skin, and that is, I'm talking about your toners, your COSRX Power Essence, snail moussing essence, all your essences. You can use them at night if you want to, but like I said earlier, it's not compulsory. It is not a compulsory thing, okay? It's not compulsory. If you don't have Cosrx snail essence, don't kill yourself and don't go and start trying to borrow money. It's not compulsory. They are just icing on the cake. However, make sure that please, sis, at night, make sure that you're using your hyaluronic acid serum. You might not have the power essence, but please try to get hyaluronic acid serum. It is important and it will add hydration to your face, especially at night. Please. And that's because hydration helps the other treatments, which is the next thing I'm going to be talking about, to deliver properly and to work. Don't get it twisted. If you're not using hyaluronic acid, good essences, a toner that adds hydration to your face, your tretinoin will not give you the kind of results that you want to get. Your retinoids are just going to dry out your face, and that's why it looks like I'm using all the actives but my face is not glowing. Hydration is important for face glow. All right, so after that, you will now go in with your treatments. Remember, I said that at night you want to focus on things that preserve, nurture, and treat your skin. Nurture and treat your skin at night. So this is where you will have your tretinoin, your fade topical cream, that fading stuff that is trending. There's a picture here. And then your niacinamide, if you use that. All your other key ingredients that you know helps to treat your skin, maybe anti-aging, any treatment serum that you use, you will now use it after that. That is the arrangement. After your treatment serum, you will go in with your hydrating moisturizer again to act as a cushion. To ensure that those products are arranged properly and nothing is going to be your skin is not going to be irritated, or your skin barrier is not going to be distorted. This is important. Then for my girls and my queens that stay abroad in the US or wherever you stay and it is a bit cold, please, after your moisturizer, you want to go in with maybe an occlusive or like Vaseline or a facial oil. This one from The Ordinary, the rose hip one, cold pressed facial oil is good. It's important. Like, it's not necessary, but if you want to just seal up that moisture and you don't want to wake up with always dry, chilly face and stuff, then go in with your facial oil. If I was staying abroad, sis, I will be using a facial oil at night, especially when I notice that the weather is a bit cold. All right, guys, so the very next thing when it comes to simplifying your skincare routine is the very last thing that I'll be teaching you guys today, to simplify your skincare routine and to ensure that your face is glowing, and that is to treat your skin from the inside out. When I posted a video on talking about supplements in one of my monthly haul video that I always do for you guys asked me to talk a little bit more about supplements. Now, this is the thing. The reason why I always encourage the use of supplements, especially for my clients, is because your food, the veggies, everything that you're eating in a day does not have all the nutrients that your skin, your body needs for the entire day. Take it from me. Go to the doctor and go and find out. And that's why it looks like, as a woman, especially as a woman, you have to use supplements. And now I'm going to bring it down to the level of skincare. Now, beyond all the other good things that supplements will do to your skin, your hair, your nails, your internal organs, all right, let's talk about why supplements are good for the skin. The very first thing you need to know when it comes to choosing a supplement, ask your pharmacist, does it have zinc? If your supplement does not have zinc, zinc is very, very important. And I will tell you, in a supplement, it protects your skin from UV damage. Do you understand? It is very important. And for my queens that always have a lot of acne during the month, zinc is important for helping to prevent inflammation from the inside out. So make sure that your supplement has zinc. Another thing that you want to make sure that your supplement has is copper. Copper is important, and that's because it also helps to combat inflammatory issues, but it stabilizes the skin's protein synthesis. This is heavy lifting, heavy dermatology term and stuff. Just know that copper needs to be in your supplement. Another thing that needs to be in your supplement is iron. Iron is important for your blood, for your hormones. My queens, we are on our periods, estrogen, progesterone. Those things have to be stabilized. You need to make sure that some of these trace
nutrients are in your supplements. This is why don't just go and buy what everybody is using. They say sugar bear stuff is working, you go and buy it. You don't know the components that are inside it. Sis, knowledge is power. I've been using the Reload Women supplement formula for a year now. I alternated between this one and the Healthy You, but this is the one I've been using. It has worked for my hair. See my hair. It has worked for my hair. It has worked for my nails. It has worked for my skin. Do you understand what I'm saying? It is important. Sis needs to be on a supplement, and you must be consistent with it. I don't want to hear I forgot, I stepped off. No. These are some of the tips and tricks that will make sure that you are not spending too much money on products. Focus on some of these things that I've talked about in today's video. If your skincare routine does not have some of the things that I spoke about, please go and look at it. Just take it and throw it away and go and replace it with products that would actually work for you. These things that I've talked about are the basics. This is basic skincare knowledge, and that is why don't just fall for what is trending. Make sure that all the things that are important that your skin needs on a daily basis is what you are giving it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please give me a huge thumbs up. If you've been watching my video, consuming my content, and you have not subscribed, do you fear God? Do you fear God? Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a huge thumbs up. If you have questions, let me know. Please. You want somebody to recommend something for you, you need recommendations and stuff, use the consultation link in the description box down below. I hope you guys loved today's video. I look forward to talking to you guys in the very next one. Bye.